Congratulations. You can send you right.
Thank you.
Are you back in love?
I'm in love with who? Nedda bambi. That is so not true. Luli abasajja babadde bangala nkunkwana nga babadde bagamba mbagenda kumpa V8 and old ones.
Okay.
But that's on condition I marry them. Of course I can't. Kitegeera. So nabigana nebirabo byabwe nabigana. Because you can't just be with a man on the street from anywhere because and you're not sure.
But today more economy, people are crying, artists are crying. For you are buying new rides, bringing new rides.
I thank my parents. I thank His Excellency Professor Boni Katatumba, my dad who passed. May he rest in peace. I thank my mom, Gertrude Katatumba, who's alive. I mean, if it wasn't for them creating such a legacy for us, what would we do? You know what I'm saying? So thank God for them. It's because of them. Just for music.
Angella Katatumba, you're 40 years and above. But
who says that? That is
people.
You will continue guessing my age, Manange. You will continue. If I'm telling you that I have time, who are you to say I don't have time? Zesijja kubagamba myaka yange kubanga temuli magezi mu kuyogera bya myaka kitegeera. I'm not interested in that. So you will continue guessing, but I'll do things at my timing.
You look beautiful, you have money. Chichiganyo okuba ntufuna omusajja gwoyagala.
Kubanga nina choices, I don't have to settle. Abawala bangi bali wano basettlinga kubanga they want security, kubanga they want to depend on someone because they were raised to kunoonya omusajja wabeereyo, he takes care of them. But I am lucky I don't have those problems because I'm independent. I was raised to be independent. So when you're independent or not choices, you can say, sigena ogenda nawe leero, okitegeera, no, yes, no. I can decide what I want. So siri kasigiri, sina pressure.
According to the people who are near you, nengamba ezitambula bagamba nti oyagala abasajja gosobola controlling akoleza ku mpale.
Nedda. The problem is that mwe bantu mwe muwulira mwe woman is independent mulowooza nti no njagala kuba controlling. No, I don't have to control anyone. I just want somebody who will work with me. Njagala a partner. Because you guys are so used to putting women down, nobateka wansi, si kirungi. Okitegeera. So nze sijja kukkiriza. For me, I want a man, we work together, we raise each other up.
You have everything. What you call married, by the way. Mu America, kiki ekyagaana abantu bafuna okugenda maaso nawe. Ate na buli musajja gw'oyagala, you end up crying.
Just many relationships, they refused. But I'm not going to sit there and guma. So if things don't work out, I get out. Njagala omusajja who's going to come and develop me. We develop together. He's also doing well. I'm doing well. And we appreciate each other. Not omusajja jana in the rules and regulations. Because you're a woman, you must go and cook. What
is the role of the woman in marriage?
A role of the woman, you see, the problem that Africa, to Charlie Mabega mentally, a woman is supposed to be a slave to a man. That's what you want. No. So when you say a woman is not a slave to a man, no. I'm just saying a woman can also be of value. A woman can also bring something to the table. You get it, eh?
Yes, I mean.
So what's the problem with that? It doesn't mean she doesn't want to be married. She means she wants someone who can, we elevate each other.
Of recently, we're in a relationship with Daddy Andre and we're breaking her up for HIV tests. But Titi, they don't settle.
No, Sidi Bulogo.
Okay.
But of course, somebody, when you've been with the best, it's not easy.
Hey, what do you mean by the best?
When you've been associated with the best, it's not easy after that. It's downhill after that.
Yeah? You're going.
More than.
more than gold.
I consider myself a diamond, honey. I'm a rare jewel. And why? Because I love to be a woman who brings value to the table. I want to always be a woman who brings value to the table. Yeah.
When was your last time to cook?
I don't cook, honey. Maybe in the US. Maybe in the US.
What happened between you and the guys in the US?
My ex-husband?
Yes.
It just Ghana, you know. Yeah. I was too young. I was in my teens. I was too young to be married, you know. Just Ghana.
Your years okula and you showing nothing to love. So kule no beranga mukadanyirira.
I don't know why we take too much emphasis on marriage and children. I don't understand it. Because that's not really an achievement. An achievement can't be something that everybody can do so easily and effortlessly. That's not an achievement. Achievement is hustling, making money out there, you know, doing serious stuff. So to me, that's my focus. The families will come later when the time comes. And I have time. So.
Abasajja abakulu bakutama ziri samulumaza bamutama bagamba nti mwanti obwana obutovuka nganze big daddy.
But who is starting this rumor? That is so not true. I don't have a choice as long as somebody is above 18 and they are speaking sense and they come correct. I have no problem.
Oba love yakutama because olowooza nti abasajja baagala kubba ssente yo. They want to see
there
your
is also
money.
that problem I have. But others just that I don't even have the time, you know. But me, I'm open even to being married again, but I know kuja correct.
One more call, let's tell some allegations is you were dating with an Nigerian artist, the other guy, Marwan.
Nigerian?
Yes.
Jamaican?
Yeah, Jamaican.
Yeah.
Yes, Jamaican.
But we weren't dating. That was just an incident, a night that went wrong.
A night went wrong?
It was a night that went south.
You explain that to the people.
That I wasn't dating the Jamaican. We just come from the studio, excited, happy, money, excitement.com.
From there?
Then from there went chicken tonight and things went south.
Then from
Then from there it was for police, it was for court, it was for the guys who attacked us and beat us in the chicken night were sent to prison for a year and a half. So it was just an excited night that just ended so unfortunately.
Lwaki buli muntu akosinga obulamu amaliriza afunye ebizibu?
Yes.
You're reaching. Ate abalala who've received so many blessings.
Yagwa n'okugwa.
Yagwa relationships zabeeramu zonna tasetolinga. Chichi. Aba chicken tonight nabo bali mu economy.
After testing diamond.
No, just that's not my problem. For me, I know that on my side, I'm doing well, things are moving. I just thank God.
Angela, oyinayo ku mwana?
Sina mwana.
Yeah?
Sirina.
Ne at that age, tulaba okulirira Angela. Okulirira by the way okuze.
Omani. Mubala emyaka zange instead of focusing on your own. Tegeera. So, first of all, you don't know my age. You're just going to continue guessing. When I'm guessing, just so mubale yange temubale zizo. I know I'm developing.
Katuswale eri audience. Never funny bo. Tell us your true age.
Never. This one thinks he's now very clever.
Angela,
I was young. I was in
17.
I was young. I got
19.
You were 19.
Plus 10, that is 29.
Okay. Angela.
But you guys, do I look this good? Because the obsession of my age. What it means to me. I want to balance. I'm so old, but they are like, wow. So that's the confusion.
Okay. Angela. Like, have you ever been in a serious relationship?
Yes, I was married.
Kale, waliko mu serious relationship. Naye ensonga ziri z'okuba nti munne kale olubuto lwakwatayo nogaye waliyo gwe wasuubizayo ku mwana like pregnant.
No, I don't have a child.
Katono nnyo.
You hear it? Have you had the question?
I'm serious about it.
You see why I've been avoiding you guys for all these months? Everyone's on your way. There's some questions that don't end. I hear when was the last time I had sex?
That's because you don't have a boyfriend.
And when I avoid you guys, you say I'm avoiding you guys.
You don't have to avoid.
So I should now come on TV and start telling you the last time I had sex. And you also want me now to talk and say,
Angela.
we should you.
Angela, to having a sex. To having a sex.
I think now these men are just in race. You listen to the questions here. That's my private.
Seems that you're not a human being.
Angela, lwaki abakyala nga mmwe mwevumbiridde nnyo okuwasa naddala badde mu America okuwasa abavubuka? Recent twalabye mukwano gwo Nfanfeewo Desire Luzinda ng'akoze emikolo ne Levikson. Tulabe naawe nti tugambe muno naye wano yeyo line gy'okutte.
But how is that my business?
Is that the same route you're going?
I follow my things, I do my things in my time, my way. So there's nothing I'm following and there's no direction I'm going except the angellakatatumba direction, which is stress-free.
Does this say that Musajja, you're going to come out publicly? Or you're public, we have to since we go later public?
Even in public, because I'm a public figure, even more public, Njagala, I try so hard to hide it, but be vile. Kubanga olaba munteka muina lugambo. So even that I can't avoid it. So I bring much more than cooking.
You are telling ladies okutambuliza obufumbo ku account numbers. Obufumbo ku account amount.
I've not understood.
Credit.
So,
are you telling ladies that they should, one of the dependents of marriage is your account balance?
Account balance.
For ladies, it's important, whether you're married with kids, still you can be independent, have your money. Not just be married with kids. You can also be independent, have your money to do your things. Instead of just depending on the man, no mutama. Then if you start going to balas and onyaba Angela, which tegera, then mutandiko kuntuku esimu quarreling here for me. No, be independent.
Since you're divorced, Angela, since you're divorced, ensonga lwaki kati advocating for no marriage?
I'm not advocating for no marriage. I would love to be married again. What I'm advocating for is for women to be independent and make their money. Whether you're married, it doesn't matter whose son you are, whose daughter you are, whose husband you, whose sister you are. It doesn't matter who your father is, who your brother is, your husband is. Women should always be independent. That's what I'm advocating for.
Angela, gwenga goba background ye jwakuli. Yekulemesa ofumbira mulooza abasajja baagala sente za.
No, not really. It's just that because I'm independent, I have choices. Because I don't have to be desperate and just go with a man because there's no choice. You get it? So I have the luxury of choosing who I want to be with.
Emyaka gy'omaze tofunanga choice yo. Oli siro mucho.
Era mvele siro sijja kulimba. I take my time because I'm in no hurry.
Angela, oli mukyala mu lokolo bakkiriza mu Katonda. The Bible says to be submissive abakyala. Nebyogezaako gamulyanga awagira abakyala bafune amawaggali eri abasajja baabwe.
What's mawaggali?
Mawaggali, that is
pride.
No. By the way, no. I don't like I said earlier, by no respecting abasajja. A woman will never be a man. But Chanjagala is a woman to value herself more. To also have something. To also work hard, go home, respect your man. If your man disrespects you, you don't have to take it. You have your money, you can live.
When was the last time you were submissive to a man?
Yeah, when I'm in a relationship, I'm very submissive.
Who was that man?
I was recently in a relationship that ended, but I'm always submissive.
Were you submissive?
By the way, me I am. If you're talking sense, yeah, very submissive.
Lwaki abasajja bonna kubalekawo?
Bakulekawo ngate wali
bandekawo wanzembali.
Bakulekawo.
Ani andeka?
Watugamba bakusooka kusoka.
N'abalala ne gwa divorce
You
nasooka
have the capacity to leave me. You guys can rewrite history. Comedy is too much.
Nene kwa divorcing.
Yasooka kukosa
mutima. Gwa divorce ngasoka kukosa mutima kitegeeza nti yasooka okuleka.
Yeah, for sure. That was my first and worst heartbreak.
Lwaki yakulekawo?
I think I was too young. I was too young and too naive. And because I got married when I was too young, in my teens. So I was too young, I was naive, and I was the breadwinner. I was making more money. So I think that insecurity, Chibade, he wasn't settled with the fact that I was making more money. So somehow, you know, that's why a man is always a man. He's in charge. So when you take that away from him, it's very difficult to make a relationship work.
Okay, Angela, is history repeating itself? Muno yensonga yemu lwaki wayawukana ne Daddy Andrew?
The other guy twawukana kubanga the guy refused to do what needed to be done.
And which was?
Take the HIV test.
If he says he's taking the HIV test,
that story ended, my dear. I've moved on a long time. My dear.
But you said you're single.
I'm single, but I'm single.
Don't you think you're beautiful enough to be single?
Yes, and I'm single. What do you mean? And be single.
But you are beautiful.
Amen.
Yeah, girl, name Mugamba. Alex,
tell us about your album. Over sent of all muzono now oli mulakiza lo yono nako
album. Album. I've dropped by Wendy album 14. Munange is for all my music to go to its greatest lengths, for God to take my music to every corner in the world, and to be one of the greatest musicians in the world, for my music to be enjoyed by all types of generations. That's my prayer. And to sing on all the biggest stages. That's my prayer.
But you don't put in much
I don't put in so much effort because I don't have that time. I put in, as of now, 15% effort in music and 85% in business. And why? Because music so far doesn't give the money and the standard of living that I'm used to. It comes, yes, there's money in music, but nowhere near as much as in business. So this is the struggle that I'm in right now.
Some people think nti abamu ku bayimbi bajja just to waste time. Na kutwalira biseera by'abantu. Era abambaloza nti gw'omu ku bo.
Nedda bambi, sitwala obudde bw'abantu. Nange ndi awo. Nange nkola, okitegeera. Mbakoze music. Tolaba bwe ndi ekola bulungi. So it's there, but those ones who can afford to hire me, hire me. I'm very available. And then the ones who can't afford, keep it moving.